Hey everyone, welcome to a new week of the Fall Wardrobe Challenge. I hope everyone had a great weekend and had some time out. I had an awesome time this weekend, so I'm like all set to go for the week. So I put up a poll on what I should do for this week, and it was cardigan week or one turtleneck 5 ways. I have this awesome black turtleneck that I can style in so many different ways. So at some point I will be showing you guys that. But cardigans definitely will, won the show. So here it is. We're in cardigans week. So many styles of cardigans. I decided to start the week off with an oversized one. It's like kind of this like Irish knit, like, oversized, so that you can, if you're not that cold, you can bring it down a little. And yeah, I absolutely love this cardigan. It's by Lovestitch, and so I decided to do the oversized with the dress because it's super like boho and casual and very cute. And I added my Western booties to it. Yeah, my legs are already pasty white. So yeah, so there's so many different cardigans. We've got the oversized, the like cable knit type ones, like the Irish knit look. Very, very comfy, cozy. You have, the long ones that are kind of like dusters. And those are a lot of fun. And, and then you have your regular, like tighter cardigan, like short, with like some cute buttons. You can button it up and you get a like kind of like polo style look, very preppy. So you can run the gamut, like a duster for like that rocker chick look, this like oversized one for the boho chic look. Can do the preppy look with another different cardigan, and yeah, just so many choices, so many things you can do. And I'm going to show them to you. And I also want you guys to tell me if you have a specific look that you want to see with a cardigan. Say you have a favorite cardigan, but you're not quite sure what you want to do with it. So don't hesitate in the comments or DM me, because I'm more than happy to put together a look that you guys are interested in seeing, and talk about it too. So yeah, so I put this one together as, like a little boho chic look with the layered necklaces and the layered rings. And I'm going to be showing you so many others. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.